Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the watch above 50% and keep your iPhone unlocked with Bluetooth and Wi-Fi enabled. Once ready, open the watch app and tap Start Pairing. Align the watch face in the iPhone camera view so pairing completes automatically. Make sure you sign in with your Apple ID when prompted to sync data and enable important features like Find My and wrist detection. This initial setup lets apps, health data, and notifications flow smoothly between devices. Once paired, you configure the core features so the watch matches how you use it. Choose a watch face and add complications for the apps you need. This saves time and shows glanceable info. Make sure to sync desired apps from your iPhone and set activity goals so the fitness rings track correctly. Next, enable notifications selectively, set a watch passcode, add cards to Apple Pay, and turn on emergency SOS. These steps protect data and make daily use seamless. You finish by refining settings and confirming everything works. Tweak brightness, haptics, sounds, and enable or disable always on display to save battery. Then update watchOS to the latest version and run quick tests. Make a call, send a message, ask Siri, and check heart rate or activity tracking to verify sensors and connections. If something fails, restart both devices first. If issues persist, unpair and repair the watch or perform a factory reset. That single troubleshooting step often resolves stubborn sync.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.